In this installment, we'll be visiting Joomla.org and looking at some of the available resources at this great little site. You'll notice along the top of the site some navigation links. They take you to the various areas like the community, the forum, the extensions area, resources area, and documentation, and the developer area. Uh, you can download the latest versions here. You can get also access the extensions from this large button, and you can go to the demo in case you're evaluating Joomla. You can get your major announcements, community news, leadership blogs, and developer news in case we're coming up on a next release, which is Joomla 1.6, and security center issues, etc. There are also community blogs available here. We're going to also go to the forums or the community, and this is community.joomla.org, and basically it's a community portal for evaluating and looking at user groups and other events throughout the world, Joomla days like in France, Melbourne, Australia, developer conferences. You can follow this on Twitter. You can join a user group, check out the team blogs, all of that on this particular site. Um, the next area that we'll be visiting is called the user forums. This is forums.joomla.org, and this is a great place for posting any kind of questions you might have, and engaging other users of Joomla. You can log in and register. It's a standard forum type board, and you can get Joomla announcements. You can discuss issues and things like that. You can ask support questions related to Joomla. Many of these forums are moderated. You can ask installation issues, migration issues, security issues, the extensions forum in case you're having some problems with an extension, templates, how to modify them, etc., how to do any search engine optimizations. There are also older version support, 1.0, international language support, and other forums down at the bottom of the site for development. If you're doing any coding or anything kind of custom development. And also, if you have any questions about what Joomla.org or any of its other sister sites are using, you can check out the infrastructure there. The other major site is extensions.joomla.org, which you can get any custom extensions, components, modules, plugins. There's about 4,000 of them right now, and that grows just about every day. They're all categorized alphabetically, um, so you can narrow your search in case you know what kind of thing you want, like a security component or something like that. There are new and noteworthy components that are listed or featured on the site. Anything recently updated, and they also have random extensions or random new extensions. You can log in if you have your own extensions you've developed and post them on the site. The best place to get extensions are the editor's picks, and we'll be visiting these in the future. There's Community Builder, which is a nice little community type component. The Explorer, Joomla Content Editor, which is a great little extension. Joomfish, which is internationalization or localization of the content, and your search engine search friendly URLs, etc. The next place you want to check out is the documentation area. This is the official Joomla documentation wiki. It has everything you'll need, and if you hit the help, this is where you'll generally go in Joomla. This is where you'll find out all the information. The standard navigation things are on the left hand side instead of the top. But this is a wiki. You can log in and help out. Um, they have an absolute beginner's guide. It's divided into mostly administrators, web designers, and developers. You can find frequent information like installation manuals, upgrades, instructions. The security checklist is a great place to begin. Frequently asked questions, tips and tricks, templates, and you can help, like I said, you can help out with the documentation effort. You can join the working group, etc. Help with the screens, capturing things for the help screens, all of that. So if you're involved with Joomla at all and you want to help out, this is a great place to lend a helping hand. The next place we'll be visiting is the developer section. If you're developing a component or you want to enhance a plugin or something else for Joomla, this is the place to start. You can get all the documentation. You can look at the release notes for the next major release, any bug fixes, etc. It's a great place to start. There are books, extensions featured on the site. You can go to the bug squad, Joomla code. This is the team. The Google has a summer of code, and you can get the documentation, tutorials, all of that from here. Most of the source code for Joomla is available at Joomlacode.org, and you can download just about any major extension and its source code from this area. If you have an extension and you want to have a source code management system available to you, this is the place to go. This is available. It has a task list, just everything that you need to do any kind of development. You can add your developers, tasks, all of that, and you can manage your development tasks from here. In this last section, you can log into demo.joomla.org, create an account, and get access to the administration area of a standard Joomla installation. And in the next installation of our video segments, we'll be exploring a demo.